to their secret files, their word, the church word, not the Attorney General.
We talked about more extensively at the beginning, you know, like the source of.
But as it stands, as far as your cause goes, is it better?
SNAP is launching for the first time a project called Conclave Watch, and what it is an initiative to vet cardinals around the world, cardinals who may be considered to be the next pope, based on their records on covering up abuse, how they handled those responsibilities of managing those cases within their own dioceses and in other arenas where they may be responsible for oversight, as well as their acceptance of a zero tolerance law, the one that we've proposed.
But if we have evidence that doesn't meet that threshold, we're going to get it to the proper church official. And
the diocese and taken those documents, and many of the documents were provided to that detective.
Zero tolerance is simple. It means that if you've abused a child and it's been proven that you've done it, you've sexually assaulted or raped a child, that there is a mandatory removal from the priesthood. You can no longer practice as a priest. You can no longer be in ministry. There is only one place in the world where that is done, and that is in the United States, because in 2002 so much public pressure was coming down on them. In order to do that, they had to make a canon law change to do it, and they've only done it in the United States. The United States is just 6% of the Catholic world. So 94% doesn't have that. And what happened in the United States is it turned everything upside down. Bishops had to go, they had to go to the records, they had to remove any priest that did that. So that's number one. Number two is accountability. That's where it's not in the United States or anywhere else. That if you've covered it up, you also have to be removed from public responsibility in the church. So that's zero tolerance. Something like that, and you're a child, in your family, you just gotta wait.
My bishop has been named to the Vatican Supreme Court. I have reached out to him a number of times. He's just